Hey guys, and welcome to the How to Make a Bunny Hop Map tutorial for 2018. Before we get started, I'll just say there's a lot to get through, so if you can, I recommend playing on the videos on 1.25 times speed or even 1.5 times speed to help you get through it. Just to let you know what we'll be doing in this tutorial, over the first 6 episodes, we'll be looking at how to make a bunny hop map template. This is just a starter map that will have all the entities we need in order to start making bunny hop maps, and then in episode 7 we'll actually begin creating a full bee hop map. So if you're impatient and you already know a little bit about mapping, you feel free to skip to episode 7 and you can download the template and get started there. However, if you're new to mapping, I highly recommend watching the first 6 episodes first and getting a deep understanding of the Source SDK and how to make bhop maps. With that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need, if you haven't already downloaded it, is the Counter-Strike Global Offensive SDK. So within your library, you're going to go to these Game tabs, Tools, and locate the Counter-Strike Global Offensive SDK and download that. Once that's installed, you'll have to go back to your games library, find Counter-Strike Global Offensive, right-click, Properties, set launch options, and this is what you're looking for right here. You'll need to type in -tick rate space 128. That just turns the default tick rate from 64 to 128 for local servers. Great. Now guys, I am using a texture pack that I made specifically for this tutorial, so if you want to follow along with me, I recommend downloading that and installing it, and I'll show you how to do that just now. So the link will be in the description of the video, or hopefully on your screen. This is what it will look like. We can go to manual download, hit download. It's a very small download, should be done fairly quickly. Let's just find where that's located and put it on our desktop here. We can extract here. If you don't have the option to extract, it's because you need to download WinRAR. That will bring up our folder. We can look in here, see all our textures. Great. Now we'll open up. You'll have to install these textures into your Counter-Strike Global Offensive folder. So to find this folder, you'll first need to find your Steam folder. Generally that will be in your C drive. I've put it on my D drive, but we'll go to Steam once you found that. Steam Apps, Common, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, CSGO, Materials. Then just drag and drop that texture pack into the file location. I already have it, so it's just going to replace it. Great. Now our textures are installed, and I'm just going to get rid of these two now.